Hi, my name is Ashley, and I am the brand owner of Suje Paper. Today, I am here to show you how I made this rainbow confetti paper, and also talk about basics of paper making, so you can also make your own customized papers. So if you are a hands-on crafter like me, please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get cooking. Remember, homemade food, homemade paper. So here is what you need. You need a vat that is sized big enough to submerge your mold and deckle into and have swishing room. And you need a blender. There are other ways to break down paper, but a blender is one of the most efficient ways to do this process. Other things you may need are a tray and some towels, a cup, and some boards. If you don't have MDF boards like me, you can also use a hardcover book and put them into plastic garbage bags. First step is to collect your non-glossy recycled paper. I'm going to be using my husband's old newspapers. So cut them into 1-inch squares. Take 1 handful of the paper, put it in the bucket, and fill it with water. Fill it to a 1-to-3 ratio, 1 being the paper and 3 being the water. Cover the bucket. So the longer you blend, you'll get more smoother paper. The shorter you blend, you'll see more texture in your paper. Put your mold and deckle together. Put it on the sink. Pour the bucket through the screen. And collect your pulp inside the plastic bag. And fill the vat with water. Fill enough water so that you can submerge your mold and deckle. Stir in the pulp little by little. Distribute them evenly. Put your mold and deckle together and draw a sheet. Rock back and forth and side to side until it settles on the screen. Let it drain. Now check your sheet of paper. I think this is a little thin. Check the thickness of your paper. If you don't like it, simply just turn the screen upside down and kiss the water so you can start over. Basically, if you have more pulp than water, then you're gonna get thicker sheets. If you have more water versus the pulp, then you're gonna get thinner sheets. Test draw a few sheets before starting paper making until you reach your desired thickness. Okay, I think I like this thickness. Okay. Now that I know the thickness of the paper, I can choose to decorate my papers by adding decoratives into the vat. So I hole punch from the newspapers to see the texture of the letterings. I'm gonna pour this in. And then the rainbow confetti comes with the kit. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. Take the felts that come with the kit and wet it. Take a wet sheet of felt, put it on the tray. Take the deckle out. It's gonna clean up the edge a little bit. And then roll the screen on top of the felt. Then use the sponge to squeeze out the water as much as you can. Okay, carefully peel off the screen. And ta-da, you've successfully transferred your first sheet onto the felt. Okay, put another layer of the felt. And then draw more sheets to make more paper. So as you're making more sheets, you're taking away pulp from your vat. So make sure to replenish your vat with more pulp after 2 to 3 sheets. Okay, take the last sheet of felt. Just put it on top of your sandwich or post. Make another sandwich like this, and then take this outside or to the bathroom where you can drain water. They should be much drier than before, so carefully separate these felts. Okay, now you can take these felts to a window or a wall. So I'm gonna be using this, but you can use a window as well. Use your sponge to brush an X from the inside to the outside and get the rest. And then carefully peel off the felt. If you have difficulty with this, then just give a little bit of pressure in the corners and at the edges so they stick better. And when they're completely dry, they should look like this. Carefully peel from the corner. They should come right off. Do not dump your bath straight into the sink or else your mom will be very, very mad at you. I like to use a cup so it's not so heavy lifting. And drain it through the screen. Spray shower all your equipment, including the felt. Be gentle with the felts because they deteriorate after multiple use. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to do paper making with Suje paper. There's limitless amount of creativity that you can do with this kit. It's an art form that turns out differently every time, so experimentation is key. What project do you plan on making with this paper making kit? Drop me a comment below and ask any questions you have about this process. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button or visit my store down below. Happy paper making!